Mr. Knuckles?
Yes.
I just wondered if I could have a quick
Hello.
word about the food.
Send a medic to the canteen.
It's very gritty.
It's very
And as for the
pretty.
bread, need I say more? I know we're working to a tight budget, but we could at least add some sauce. Don't worry, I know what gets ketchup stains out. That's just made it worse.
Forget the medic. Better send a priest.
You listen to me, you little maggot. Nobody squirts condiments on my apron.
Got it.
And nobody bonks me on the head with a baguette.
No bonking.
What is this?
What is this?
Marmalade sandwich.
You can make this?
You can make this?
Yes.
Well,
This
yes.
bear is now under my protection.